Is talking to people that you don't know your worst nightmare? Does making conversation with strangers at a party, or at a wedding, or at the school gates fill you with dread? You might not even like making small talk with colleagues in the office. Now, I wouldn't say that I'm a chatterbox, but any donkeys near me better be careful, as I'm likely to talk their hind legs off. People say I've got the gift of the gab, and today I have a gift for you. My 7 hacks is going to help you overcome those fears about chatting and make sure you never run out of things to say. One, relax. People who hate making conversation are often worried about what others will think of them. Relax. People are far less judgmental than you think. If you do slip up, so what? You'll go home, beat yourself up unnecessarily for your perceived mistake. The likelihood is that whoever you were talking to didn't even notice. 2. Don't hesitate. People are so scared about their mind going blank and having nothing to say, that's what happens. That's right, their mind goes blank, they panic, and they have nothing to say. It's a vicious cycle. The fear of a mind blank has become reality. The next time you're in a similar situation, you overthink and try to avoid the embarrassment by standing mute. To avoid this, if you're in a group, try focusing on one person. It's easier to chat to one person than involve everyone. 3. Take an interest. Has it ever occurred to you that you aren't the only person feeling awkward in the room? Take an interest in the person that you are focusing on, as they may feel socially awkward too. Be confident. That plays a huge part in how people perceive you. If you don't feel confident, stick a smile on your face and pretend. 4. Listen up. If the person you're chatting to mentions something that they've been up to, ask them about it. They drop into the conversation, they've been at the cinema. What did they see? Oh, it was the Joker. Do they like Joaquin Phoenix? How does he compare to Heath Ledger and Jack Nicholson in this role? What other good films have they seen recently? Any Netflix recommendations? So from one throwaway fact, you have enough questions to sustain a whole conversation. 5. Wide range of interests. What can you talk about? What are you interested in? Off the top of my head, I could chat expertly about business, no surprises there, current affairs, the economy, music, sport and cars. If the conversation moves on to Aston Martins, I could talk about them all day. I have a wide range of subjects that I'm knowledgeable about and confident in discussing them. I'm not an expert in everything, but I can hold a conversation about most subjects. 6. What's up your sleeve? Just before you leave the house, check trending news. Be up to speed with what's happening in the big bad world, and you'll always have something up your sleeve and be ready to talk about it. I find that everyone has an opinion on Trump, Brexit, reality TV, and what's happening right now in Scotland. Admittedly, these can be fairly polarising topics, so it might be best to tread carefully. 7. Bespoke service. Ever heard of the spokes method when it comes to conversation? It's a great way of keeping the chat flowing. Think of the hub of a bicycle wheel as the main point. Let's pretend the person you're talking to says they went on a run this morning. Now, think of the spokes leading from the hub as topics that the hub can lead on to. So you ask them how far they run, and do they run in any races? Oh, they've just done a half marathon. Have they any plans for a full marathon? Hey, talking of running, didn't Katrina Johnson-Thompson do well in the heptathlon at the World Championships? And Dina Asher-Smith was incredible, wasn't she? So you see, people generally love talking about themselves and their interests. Tap into this and always think what the conversation can lead on to and where you can steer it. When it comes to never running out of things to say, remember this. Have a wide range of subjects that you can talk about. Ask people questions, and if you aren't confident, just fake it until you make it. Walk the walk until you can talk the talk. And before you start walking, remember to click the subscribe button and sign up to my YouTube channel.